Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on the Bee, and I am here with the unboxing of the November Macy's Beauty Box. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got a giveaway for you in this video. We are going to be giving away one of the items in here to one of you. I don't even know which one yet, so I am super excited. The Macy's is a $15 a month beauty box. There's usually deluxe size, every once in a while full size item, and there's always either a $5 or a $10 off coupon that you can use in their beauty department, either on their website or in person. I did want to also let you know we do have a Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette that we are giving away for the month of November. I'll let you know what you need to do that in the description box down below. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you'll need to know, and then also be subscribed, because I do check to make sure that you guys are subscribed, because my giveaways are a way for me to get back to you, because I love doing that. Some of you have asked me to let you know what I've been have going on my eyes. So the brown shades are all from the Warrior by Juvia's Place palette. Love this palette. And then the green is kind of a new to me one that I recently picked up. It is from Kalande Cosmetics, and it is the Ripple. It is so pretty. It is one of their glitter multi-chromes that transfer from green to kind of a silver. It is just so stunning. Love it. So here's a little card. There is a $5 off coupon in here. And this month's box is the perfect lineup for a refresh when you need it the most. From Pro Glow skincare to minimalist makeup, essentials, and more. It's kind of called their post-workout wonders. And they usually send some sort of accessory item, whether it is like a makeup bag or a tool or something like that. That's not necessarily on the card itself, just a little extra from them. So you don't really know hardly anything about it, like who the makers are or anything. This month, it is this tie-dye, and I'm guessing it's a bag. Yeah, kind of this cute little bag here, perfect for shopping or anything. I can see this more being like a summer type thing just because of the colors and everything, but it's super cute. I can, definitely throw this in my car, so that way it folds up to, dinky, that you can just throw it in your car and have it in case you need it. So I did get kind of a oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So I guess we'll find out which ones I didn't get. So from PYT Beauty is this full-filled plumping lip gloss. Get fuller looking lips while keeping it natural, free of parabens, silicones, and phosphates, and full of sunflower seed and avocado oil. It does retail for $15. The pro tip on this is for the perfect amount of shine, all you need is one swipe of the gloss. So because it is a clear gloss, make sure to only do it on lips that don't have any pigment on them, i.e. lip balms, liquid lips, lipsticks, lip crayons, anything like that. Don't just put it on over your natural lips. Otherwise you will ruin the wand here. Not gonna put it on my lips because obviously I've got color on them. So you were supposed to get the Anthony No Sweat Body Defense. It's designed for men but borrowed by women. This cream helps protect against chafing with tapioca starch, aloe vera, and vitamin E. Retails for $20. And before getting dressed, apply it to areas that are easily irritated to stay comfy all day. I know that I can get chafing if I go for a run or anything like that on my legs. So wish it would have got that. Instead, we did get the new Reset Your Skin Dramatic Results Without Dramatic Intervention. Experience a 4-day tryout of this first of its kind system skin reset 4-week intensive rejuvenation system from Trifecta. It does give you one here for each of the 4 days. And I've really liked it when I've tried these before, so I'm glad I got this. So it looks like you were supposed to also get the 3-in-1 new 24-hour pen eyeliner full size. Didn't get that. From Derma Blend is a loose setting powder, totally translucent. This powder works with any and every shade of foundation and will look your look. This doesn't make any sense. So this says, and will look your look in place. I think they meant to say lock your look in place, but no, it says look your look in place. Pro tip, swipe a small amount into your T-zone to tone down any shine. I have tried this before. I do really, really like this one. Full size of this does retail for $29. You guys will not believe what they put in here. Will not believe this. I'm saying one thing that is I'm amazed by. The other thing I'm like, what? We have underwear. This is from Jockey, new True Fit Promise. Leave it to great fitting lingerie for a boost of confidence. And the super stretch bikini cut panties are the perfect place to start. Fits dress sizes 4 to 14. Underwear? They are $11.50 for one or 3 for $30. Won't be modeling this. So the product that had me geeked out when I saw it peek through, you were supposed to get the SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age Cream. It's feel great, makeup free, thanks to the firming and glowing makeup wonders of this cult classic. Made with their signature PITERA, this cream will give you younger looking skin. Retails for $235 for the full size. Obviously they weren't sending you the full size. But instead, they did send another SK2 product, and this one is their facial essence, and you guys, I love using this before when I have a big night out or anything like that. I really, really do use it, and I use it sparingly because it is so expensive. So I'm glad they sent me another one. From Tan Tell is their half body classic, looking for a faux glow to get you through the winter. This towel gives you a streak-free, sun-kissed look, minus UV rays and messy tanning boots. Retails for $24 for a box of 10 of them. Pro tip, one sheet covers arms and legs. Color will start to develop in 2 to 4 hours and will continue to do so for up to 24 hours. So I've used these before, really, really do like these. We do have 2 fragrances. One is a men's scent, one is the women's scent. The male scent is from Jean-Paul Gaultier. It's limited edition, inspiring by Gaultier's childhood days spent in the sun. And you'll love this natural blend of Oceanic Accord, vanilla, and ambergris. Retails for $94. It's a really, really kind of refreshing scent. It's not a really heavy scent. I could see this more being like a summer scent, but I really, really do like this. And one of the things I want to tell you guys that I do with these is on ones that I do like, I put them, save them throughout the year, and then put them in my husband and my son's Christmas stockings. Secret word, refresh. So So then by Mugler is a new Angel Cruise, a sunny vacation in a bottle. You'll instantly feel like you're on a tropical vacation thanks to magnolia and patchouli notes. I don't like patchouli, you guys. It says retail for $84. We'll give it a spritz, but let's do it this way instead. It has that fruity aspect to it, but it does have that lingering patchouli oil, which I'm not a big fan of. Bum, bum, bum. So let's do the tan towel as the giveaway. I've got some other tan products that I'm trying to use up right now. You guys know I did get from Australian Glow. They sent me a kit that I'm using and love them. So let's do this one. Giveaways are really easy. There is a Google form in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put it on there, your YouTube name and the secret word. Only fill out that Google form once, and do not put that secret word in the description box down below. This is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, loss in transit, damage, anything like that. For it to get to you, I love giving back. YouTube's no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you. I love being a little ray of sunshine in this crazy world we got going on. Crazy world where they send you underwear. Anyway, I can't get over that. It's funny to me for a beauty box. There are 2 extra bonus entries you can have. If you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty, AMA, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying hard to grow this channel, and let me know which one of these things were your favorites and how you guys are doing. Let me know that in the comments down below. The more people that like, the more people that comment, the more people that watch the video in its entirety, the more YouTube will grow this channel, and I'm really trying hard to grow it here so I can do more giveaways and give back to you guys, because I love giving back. Let's have this giveaway go through December 15th. On December 16th, I'll pick the winner and using a random number generator, and I will pin the person's first name and first initial of their last name in the comment section below. I think I'm also going to do a video on that day where we go through and we pick all the winners together. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. If you haven't subscribed and joined the family, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun group here. No drama, none of that. And so I try to keep everything super positive and friendly and supportive of one another. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.